Guys, what's up? Come state? Welcome back or welcome for the first time to another Live and Learn Italian experience with me, Raffaella, your Italian tutor and founder of Languages Alive. Today we're going to see how not to look like a tourist in Italy, part 2. So part 1 is already on my channel. Subscribe and enjoy all the videos. So these are tips I'm going to share with you that are going to help you out to have a stress-free vacation. So stay tuned and we're going to start now. Iniziamo. 1, 2, 3, via! So first tip, a big massive no to flip-flops to walk around the city. So we only use flip-flops when we go to the beach or at the swimming pool. So be careful, don't use them.
How do we call flip-flops in Italian? We call them ciabatte infradito or simply infradito or ciabatte da mare. For women, we also have infradito con la zeppa. The ones we see now are simply called ciabatte da mare. Now, the reason why I'm suggesting you not wearing them when walking around Italian cities is because not only they will make you look like a tourist, but most importantly is because you can get hurt. It's not unusual to find broken glasses on footpaths and streets, especially after a football match, for instance. So also the San Pietrini cobble streets are almost everywhere, and the floor is uneven, so the chance to trip over increases a lot.
If you feel like committing a crime against Italian fashion, then you should wear socks with sandals, either man or woman. That's gonna make a big impact on Italians. So if you don't want to look like a tourist and not attract people's attention, you better not to wear them, especially white socks, calzini bianchi. Trust me on this.
So this is even worse, mamma mia. When we have sandali, calzini bianchi, pantaloncini, and those legs bitten by mosquitoes so badly, I wouldn't recommend walking around like this in cities.
There we go, another useful tip. So do not ever mix the prints. Non mescolate le stampe. So checks, flowers and pois don't go together in the same outfit. So if you have an outfit, a dress, un vestito in flower prints, just don't put anything else, another print on it, but just put some sober accessories or scarf or whatever. Here we come to colors, I colori. So are you thinking to wear blue trousers, pantaloni blu and a black sweater, un maglione nero? Well, think again, because black and blue don't go together for the Italian fashion. Nero e blu is a big no. Also, not pink with red, rosa con il rosso non va. If it's raining or drizzling and you're wearing a windbreaker, that is a dead giveaway that you are a tourist, so you totally look like a tourist. And opt instead for trench coat, un trench, or un giubbotto waterproof, like a waterproof coat. Or you can also use an umbrella, un ombrello. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel and enjoy all the Live and Learn Italian experiences. So comment below, let me know what you think and what topic you want me to tackle next time. Thank you very much, grazie mille, and I'll see you next time. Alla prossima. Ciao!